Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make an obsidian generator. First, gather your essential materials: a bucket of lava, a bucket of water, and any solid block. These items are fundamental for creating the continuous flow needed. Next, find a suitable, flat location in your world. This ensures easy construction and efficient operation of your new obsidian source. Prepare to build a simple, yet effective structure. Now let's build the structure. Dig a 2-block-long trench 1 block deep in the ground. This forms the channel for your liquids. Place a solid block at one end of this trench. This block will act as a barrier and a point of contact. Then pour your water bucket into the trench right next to the solid block. The water should flow 1 block, stopping at the end. With the water in place, it's time to activate your generator. Carefully pour your lava bucket onto the solid block you placed earlier, right where it meets the flowing water. The lava will interact with the water, instantly transforming into obsidian. Mine this newly formed obsidian block. You can then repeat the process by pouring more lava onto the same spot, generating an endless supply. For best results, always ensure your water flows exactly 1 block before the lava makes contact. This prevents accidental cobblestone or stone generation. You can also experiment with more advanced designs, like those using pistons, to automate the process even further. These can significantly increase your obsidian output. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.